Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make marshmallow dessert. 50 grams skyflake crackers crushed. Two tablespoons almond. 1 cup all-purpose flour, and a half cup water. A half tablespoons vanilla. Marshmallow matcha green tea flavor. Here's the marshmallow in a toothpick for a handle. Then dip marshmallow in wet flour. Roll in a crackers crushed with almond. And fry in a medium heat until golden brown. Place on a plate and a chocolate sauce. It's so yummy, you can try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and hit notification bell for the next video.